Hi everyone, welcome to my channel in Cloud with Deepak. In this video, we are going to use Dockerfile to create a MySQL based image, and with the help of that image, we will deploy a container on which our MySQL database will be installed. And then we are going to see some of the SQL commands. So let's get started. So here I am in my terminal, and we'll first set the alias so that we don't need to type Docker again and again. And the very first task is to create a Docker file so that Docker will be able to create an image from that Docker file. So let's quickly create a Docker file, and we need to specify some of the contents here like from SQL. So this from basically specifies the base image. So base image is MySQL, and then we have specified the tag that is latest. So Docker will pull the latest MySQL image. And we also need to give an environment variable, which is MySQL root password. Let's keep the password as root, and I think we are done. So remember that while creating a SQL based image, we need to specify the environment variable MySQL root password. This is the default root password that we can set. So, okay, let's just see if our Docker file is ready. Yes. Now we need to quickly use the Docker command to build this image. So Docker build, and we can give the tag as MySQL image. So this command, with the help of this command, Docker will make use of the Docker file, and it will build an SQL based image for us. Right. So I think our image is created, and we can check it with the help of Docker images command. As you see, MySQL image is created with this ID. Great. Okay. Now we need to spin up a container uh, with the help of this image. So let's do that. Docker run name will be MySQL container, and then we need to specify our image name, SQL image, and also we can specify the port number. So guys, 3112 is my host port, and I'm mapping it against the 3306, which is the default SQL database port that will be used by our container. Okay, so yes, I think we are good. We have given the image name, we have given the container name. Great. So this possibly has created our container. So we can go to the other terminal here, and we can see with the help of Docker ps command all the running containers. So it says here is a container, it is up for 15 seconds, and the name of the container is MySQL container. Great. So Docker has successfully used the uh, image that we have specified to create a MySQL database. Now, our next task is to get access to that database. So let's make use of Docker exec command, and specify it with the IT flag for a live TTY shell, and we need to specify the container name, MySQL container, and on that container run the bin bash shell. All right, great. So I think we are inside the container. As you see, id command returns the root, so we are currently root, and now we need to get access to our MySQL database. That is, running on this container. So we'll use MySQL user root and password. We need to specify the password. Great. As you see, we are inside the MySQL database, and now we can execute any set of commands, and that will be stored inside this container. And this way, uh, we deploy a container in Docker. So let's quickly see if everything is good. So databases, great. So it is showing the current databases, and in this way, we have successfully deployed our MySQL database on the containers using the Docker service. We can exit out of this like this, and we can get out of this like this. Now, if we need to stop the container, we can simply say docker stop and our container name. We can also give the container ID here instead of name. That will also work. So this has stopped it, and as we see docker ps command, it is not here. We can also remove this container with we require the container ID for that. Let's quickly copy it. Docker remove. We have removed it, and we can also remove the image. For that, we can use the docker rmi command along with the image name, or we can also use the image ID. Great. So we have cleared up all the things that we created. All right, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.